Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you just watched my last video on what is Postman and why we need it, then you're probably curious to know to get a hands-on and see how it works. So today we are going to exactly do that. We are going to walk through how to install Postman on your computer. And then the best part is we can make our very first API request together. It's going to be awesome. /downloads, or you can also just go simply search download Postman and Google's first link will get you there. So just click on it and you see this, and you have the depending on your OS, if you are a Mac user, you'll see a Mac download option. Even it's also available for Linux. So just click the button and your download will begin shortly. Once it's downloaded, you just go and click open the installation, run the downloaded file, and probably it's going to install in a few seconds. So follow the prompts, and once you install it, there you go. You can double click on it or click on it and it will launch. So that's how easy is that. You don't need an account to log in, but you can sign out of your account. Here I have used the sign out option. So when you first install this, you will need to sign up for free. So without any account you can use it to send request, but that's all. But if you want to store all your activities, you need to sign in. So here I have the Postman, and it's pretty simple to use. Yeah. So I have the Postman. Once installed, Postman can be launched by clicking on it, and you can see the Postman running. How cool is that? So on the left hand side you see your collections, your environments, all the flows. So that's where all the magic happens. So let's create our first get API request. So on the sidebar you see this is called the workspace, and you can see here a button to create your collection, and the collection is empty. So let's add a request, and it can be a default to get request, and I have this simple URL, demo URL, that I can simply paste here. It doesn't need any authentication. It's simply a free open available API. So that's it. You get the response here in a beautifully formatted JSON response and the response code, which means success. And in the body you can see the JSON, and you just did it. Thumbs up. So you have successfully installed your Postman and made your first API request. That's a huge step. So Postman has changed a lot since I started using it. Like they have the scripts tab and the test tab and the new scripts tab with the post request. So we will go through this in the coming tutorials, and we will dive deeper into discussing other topics like organizing your request using Postman collections, which is super important for keeping your work tidy and shareable as you build more and more API calls. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos in our Complete Postman Tutorial Series, and click on the playlist on the screen now to make sure you are caught up with all our Postman content. I will see you in the next video. Bye, goodbye.